Are you having issues finding voice effects on TikTok? Let me show you how you can add them easily to your video. So first things first, unlike video effects, you can add voice effects only after the video is already recorded. So hit the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, and afterwards, when the video is recorded, tap on the check mark on the right at the bottom of the screen, and on the right side at the top of the screen you can see that you have filters. You can adjust your clip, or you can use voice effects. So tap on voice effects, and here's the list of 14 voice effects that are currently on TikTok. The ones which have arrow pointing down next to them, they are not downloaded on your phone, so you need to download them first, but you can easily do that. Even, as you can see, even when the video is recorded, it downloads almost instantly, and you don't have to even worry about data. These effects are just few kilobytes. So once you choose your favorite voice effect that you want to use on your video, tap anywhere on the screen to confirm, and last thing you need to do is tap on next and publish your new video with your chosen voice effect. Thank you for watching, and if you need help with anything else on TikTok or any other social media app, just comment below and I will try to publish that guide very soon for you.